This is meat fried rice, and these are the ingredients I will be needing for cooking this. 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 medium-sized onions, and 2 Scotch Bonnet pepper. So as you can see, I cut into sizes so it will be convenient for me to cut out. That cutout gave me a perfect cut. You will see after this. I got this from Amazon. You can actually get yours from Amazon at a very cheap price. I bought this for less than a £10. It's really nice, really fast, easy to cut. As you can see that size, and that is the size I will be cutting all the vegetables into. Fast, easy. Pam pam, you finish cutting your peppers. I continue cutting that. I cut that into those sizes. The first thing I did before cutting out was to put my rice on fire just for it to parboil before this finishes. So I continue cutting this out until I finished all. But guys, this is not all the veggies I will be needing. I'll need some carrots, some green pea, some sweet corn. This is really good. Really, really good. That is it. Perfect cut. And this is my rice already parboiled. So I rinse it out. Then I put my pot on fire, added some vegetable oil, added my chopped onions. I fried this for about a minute. Then I added my washed gizzard to it, turned for a while. Then I added my washed goat meat into this. As you can see, they are all washed properly, neatly washed. Then I added thyme. I added some curry to it. I then stirred this. I stir for a while till that is evenly mixed. Then I went ahead. I added some black pepper. That is black pepper I added to it. After that, I gave it a stir. As you can see, always give your mix a stir. Then I went ahead, I added my Knorr seasoning, added that to it. I stir again for the meat to marinate properly. Then I went ahead, I added my shrimps to it. I then added salt, a little bit of salt. Ensure your salt is minimal. I added that, then I start to fry. I fry this for about 7 minutes before I will take the shrimp out. But after taking the shrimps out, I'll still fry the meat some more. So I continue frying this. I fried it down. Guys, you need to allow your meat to fry properly. That is to ensure that the meat is well cooked. In the process of frying, you are as well cooking your meat. As you can see, I took off the shrimps because you can't fry shrimps and meat for the same amount of time. Shrimps actually cook faster than meat, so I took that off. Then I continued to fry my meat. I fried this for another 5 minutes. By now you know that I love goat meat a lot. You can actually use any kind of meat you desire. This is my own choice of meat, gizzard and goat meat. You can use beef, chicken, turkey for this. But goat meat has a different kind of flavor, has a different kind of taste. That is why I always prefer to use goat meat in most of my cookings. And guys, you can see that's well cooked. You're going to finish your cooking in that same vegetable oil. So I added my chopped pepper into that. I gave it a stir. Then I added my mixed vegetable to it. That mixed vegetable contains carrots, green pea, and some sweet corn. I added that to it. I gave it a stir, proper stir. You need to fry this because that mixed veg has some water in it, so you need to allow it to fry, allow it to cook a little for the water to dry up. So I went ahead, I added just one nor seasoning to it. One is enough because the oil has enough seasoning in it. So after frying that, I added my parboiled rice. That parboiled rice is rinsed. I rinsed it out. At this stage, your gas should be reduced. You cook this on a low cook. So I stirred that. I gave that a proper mix. I mix it evenly. I give it a nice mix. So I went ahead. I added my fried meat. That is my fried meat. After adding the fried meat, I stir again. Then I added my fried shrimps to it. I mix it again. The parboiled rice wasn't soft enough, so it still need a little cook. I added some water to it. All the ingredients, the quantity of the ingredients, you will see under the caption. So I allowed that to cook for 10 to 12 minutes and our meat fried rice is ready. If you have been enjoying my cooking, please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed life, guys. Bye.